Machinery Company Limited, a professional filling machine company, was founded in 2015. Our filling, sealing, capping, labeling machines are 100% designed, engineered, and manufactured in Changzhou, Jiangsu, China. Our products are tube filling machine, bottle filling machine, jar filling machine, syringe filling machine, vials filling machine, etc. Filling capping machine and filling sealing machine. We can customize filling packing machine line for your liquid, paste, cream, gel, high viscosity products. We treat client with our enthusiasm, honest, and professional knowledge. Great Machines performance has won us over 300 customers overseas. The machine is most welcome and friendly use in our client factory. We supply our machines mainly to Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, and South America and Southeast. More than 95 countries normally provide 18 months warranty and 12 months wear-out spare parts. Our online troubleshooting teams will identify your troubles, then guide client how to fix problem step by step. They are available every day. We will make adjustment appointment at your convenience. Our overseas engineer team can fly to your country to fix problems at your site. We will always make sure our machine is running at client's factory. The spare parts are always available for client. We always listening to client needs and response questions. We will do our best for your requires. We are looking forward to hear from you. Hope we can make friends make business. Thank you.